So hi guys, this is my second vlog for this December. Medyo disappointed lang. Pero okay lang. So I have here a coffee, a bag, and also my polo jacket because it's a little cold. But anyway, the video for today is like kaya na lang. But anyway, tignan nyo naman yung dito. Kulay siya ng gamit ko. Going back to school because my appointment has been cancelled and I have pressure to go back. I don't like this. I will not get any appointment again. Such a reason. Pero kasi hindi mo alam hindi madaling tumira dito sa Korea. Especially kapag wala kang parents, wala kang support. It's not easy. So you have to do your own thing para ma-support mo yung needs and wants mo. That is something na hindi nakikita ng mga tao, sa mga OFW, sa mga taong nasa abroad. Because ako, isa din ako doon. Madalas yung mga pinopost namin, pinopost ko personally, is yung mga magagandang bagay lang. Pero hindi madaling tumira sa ibang bansa. By the way, ito yung harap ng school namin. So meron yung dyan na river. Tinatawag nilang South Han River. Is it south or east? I don't know. Pero ayun, and then ito naman yung mga dormitory where most of the Koreans na hindi nagdo-dorm na outsider is dito nag-rent. Tapos may coffee shop doon. Ganyan. And then dito naman sa river na yan, pwede ka dyan mag-ski. Kaso nga lang, I haven't tried it yet kasi hindi ako mag-suspend ng much money for that. Kasi I have a lot of priorities. So, eto maganda to pag gabi. By the way guys, kung nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko, nagpa-vlog pa ako. Hindi ako active, but active ako sa Instagram. So, if you've been following me, you know that I'm promoting skincare, some things na ginagawa ko dito sa Korea, and so much. Kasi gusto ko, meron akong diary pagbalik ko ng Pinas or pagtanda ko or something that I can show to my kids. Lalo na, halimbawa namatay na ako, meron silang mapapanood. Pero hindi madali tumira dito. Ang lakas ng hangin. Medyo malakas na yung hangin. I don't know if you can hear me, but kanina ko pa gusto umiyak. Sobrang busy kasi this morning, meron akong 16 hours work. 16 hours lang naman siya sa library. So, nagmamadali ako kasi I should have done that from the semester started. Pero hindi ko siya ginawa because I was busy. And now, ang deadline noon is sa December 13. Ngayon, kapag hindi ko yun natapos, yung work na yun, I have to pay a million won. So, kaya kanina tinapos ko siya. But actually, ang dami ko pang presentation, meron pa akong exams, and so much things going on, and deadlines sa mga pag-UGC ko. Yung pag-UGC ko, it is not required, but somehow it generates income. That's why hindi niyo ako pwedeng sabihin that you should prioritize your study. Kasi I should prioritize my study, but how about my needs? How about my wants? And that is hobby ko kasi yung pag-edit ng video and yung pagsasalita sa camera. Hobby ko na to. So, madaldal ako. Kaya nga, lalo na dito sa Korea, naboboring. Siyempre, minsan ako homesick, but then kapag may camera tapos magsasalita lang ako, I feel entertained na by myself sa mga pinagawa ko. So That is something na hobby ko, which these days nag-generate siya ng a little income that helps me pay my bills. So recently, nakapagbayad ako ng bills ko worth 6 digits. Nakakaloka. Gusto kong, not recently but yesterday. So gusto kong tumalon sa tuwa, gusto kong umiyak. Kasi napapagod na ako. Pero I have to do it. And at the same time, I have to be happy kasi not sure. By the way, tignan nyo na lang to. Gusto kong umiyak pero hindi ako iiyak. Charis. Alam mo, meron ba kayong mga moment na ganun? Parang pagod ka na pero kaya pa. Ganyan. So, ito yung pataas sa school namin. Medyo sinisipon na ako. So, ito yung pataas sa school namin. So, the good thing about winter, kahit malamig siya, is that hindi ako natatakot na baka may ahas. Kasi, kapag winter, walang ahas kasi nagtatago sila. Let's see. So, ayan. So, nag-aayos ako kanina ng mga books sa library and then nagpunas ako. I-share ko sa inyo dito. One thing na na-realize ko, though alam ko naman sa sarili ko na hindi ko pinapabayaan yung pag-aaral ko. In spite of being so busy, alam ko na hindi ko pinapabayaan yung pag-aaral ko. May mga readings ako na gustong basahin. May mga books ako na gustong basahin na hindi naman siya required pero it could help or add some knowledge pero hindi ko na nagagawa minsan. Pero kapag alam ko na requirement yun, I make sure na hindi ako malilate ng pasa. And if you know me, alam nyo na yung MBTI ko ay ENFJ. So extrovert, at the same time planner ako. Ayoko na yung nagka-cram. But these days sobrang busy, medyo nagka-cram ako. Third week pa naman yung pasahan ng most of my papers. Pero gusto ko tapos na siya by this week. Or else kapag next week ko siya ginawa, I might cry na. So yun. Look, ganda. Oh, pasensya na kayo, nihingal ako. Layo na nun nilakad ko bago nila kinansel. Oh no. Alam nyo, winter is teaching me na hindi sa lahat ng oras maganda yung nasa paligid. At hindi sa lahat ng oras pangit yung nasa paligid. So look, it might seem so ugly these days because of the dried leaves, dried branches. Pero it reminds me na hindi pa laging ganyan. Spring will come, summer will come. Meron lang talagang season. And it reminds me na hindi pa laging busy. May mga days na masaya. So, I always have these things na, alam niyo yun, nirelift ko na lang yung sarili ko. I don't wanna make some drama then in front of my friends. Because for me, I want them to know na I'm a strong person. Hindi ako yung basta-basta iiyak. I don't know. Siguro dito sa Korea, once pa lang ako umiyak. Once pa lang ba? Twice, ganyan. Once or twice. The last time I cried was when I found out that my best friend's ex-girlfriend, no, it was not twice. Because I have these two close friends who broke up with their exes and ako yung pinaka nasaktan. Hindi naman pinaka, pero nasaktan talaga ako. So the last time I cried in front of a friend was last week. Because I feel so sad that my friend got a new girlfriend. Well, my best friend is still suffering. Still in the stage where she figure out kung pwede pa ba. Ganun. Pero wala na. Kaya affected ako. But anyway, tingnan nyo. Look at that one. It's so nice. I think it's a long vlog na. And I don't know if you still watch until here. Pero if you're still watching it here, message me sa aking Instagram and then let me know, and then I'll give you something for your coffee. Let's see. See? That's our school. This one, itong maliit na to, mga wait, hiningal ako. Mga ano sila, mga preschool and elementary students na yung mga parents nila ay missionary. And then ayun naman, yun dorm yan ng mga lalaki, pero lilipat kami dyan this winter kasi ganun talaga, to save energy. Tapos yung pinakamataas naman, doon ako kanina nag-work for the 16 hours library para sa aking scholarship. And yeah, tignan nyo, kita nyo ba yun? Kita nyo ba? Aww. Let me get some clip from here. Let's do some outfit check. So I'm wearing this one. I haven't showered yet because last night I showered around 12 midnight. By the way, I have here an empty cup of coffee. And I have here my bag. I was charging actually. Also wearing my pop-up jacket, which wala naman tao masyado kasi Friday na yun. So nice. So if you're a Filipino or someone na gusto mong magpaayos ng hair, I recommend Vlog Salon, which is in Hongdae. I've got my hair, so hindi ko na siya nalagyan ng cream, pero ang ganda nito kapag meron siyang essence. Today kasi I was late na for my 16 hours work, that's why. But yeah. Guys, tignan niyo. I have another appointment at 5 PM, so I'll just have to take a nap for 30 minutes and then I'll do my presentation and then I'll wait for the time. Maybe I have to take a bath as well. So let's go.